we have tried to tell people that conflict is not about war or hate. Conflict is something unavoidable. It happens every day, and it happens because we care about the result, because we care about the outcome or that person. So take conflict as an opportunity, navigate through it thoughtfully and wisely, and then you can turn it into an opportunity. You can turn that relationship into a stronger and a better one. So as people say, don't diffuse it, use it.
As a project manager, it was beneficial for me regarding improving myself, how to manage my conflicts, how to manage my communication with my stakeholders, my teammates, my fellows, and yeah, it was a very learning session for me.
In today's session of conflict management, we also discussed about the causes of conflict, how people approach them. We discussed about the amygdala hijack. We learned how to be compassionate listeners and how to package our sentence.
I am a product designer, and during the design of product, we sometimes become biased, which leads to a conflict. But this session helped me out a lot to remove these kind of biases and resolve the conflicts. So overall, the session was really productive. I will rate this session 10 out of 10.